Hey guys, Amber at Mean Acres. Today we're gonna toe punch. So I'm gonna show you another way of IDing chicks, known as toe punching. This video may have some blood, so if you're squeamish or you don't want to see it, you may want to switch the video off. You're gonna want to have styptic powder because, like I said, this is going to cause some bleeding. It shouldn't be a whole lot. You're going to punch a piece of skin out of the chick's foot, between the toes. Styptic powder is just going to help. You will want a toe punch. I think I got this one on Amazon. I'll try to find the link if I can and maybe put it in the description. They open like toenail clippers. Took me a little bit of time to figure that out, so you're welcome. You want the chick. This is a less than 24-hour Americana chick that I just pulled out of the hatcher. I'm going to punch these on the far toe webbing. So this is the foot. You can do, some people manage to get 2 holes per webbing. I've never been able to, so I just do 1. So you're going to take it, the punch goes on the bottom, the top goes on the top so that you can line it up. You want to hold the toe open, line it up, and squeeze, punches it out, and stick it in the styptic powder. Now, you are going to want to make sure that that piece of skin is removed. With this chick, it actually stuck a little bit. So I did go back through and remove it because it could heal back around it. Again, this is for IDing birds to make it so that you know maybe what year it hatched or who its parents were. A lady, Susan Mao, I'm sure I'm mispronouncing her name, but she was a really big Americana breeder. She used to punch hers by year and sire. Now, there may be smaller toe punches. Maybe that's how she was getting 2 per foot. But that's how I toe punch. It's a fairly easy way to ID chicks. That's different from using wing bands. Wing bands are a little bit trickier with small chicks, especially, day olds of like Bantams. So this is a good, alternative for that. Plus, there's no chance of putting it through a bone or accidentally causing damage, which if you're not good with wing banding, you can. Wing bands can get pulled out. I have seen it, so it is something to be mindful of. But yeah, that's how you toe band. If you want to see another how-to video, feel free to put it in the comments, like and subscribe. I'm going to start trying to do more videos, not just how-tos, but just the daily life of Mean Acres. So like and subscribe, follow us for more, drop a comment of what you want to see. I'm open to doing pretty much anything. Have a good day. Love y'all.